Hi everyone, for the Kaggle Agents for Business track, I built the Proactive Recall Orchestrator. In the pharmaceutical supply chain, when a drug batch is flagged for contamination, compliance teams face a massive data silo problem. They have to manually cross-reference massive inventory ledgers with downstream facility contacts to figure out where the bad drugs went, and then manually draft urgent emails to warehouse directors. It takes hours, and every minute risks patient safety and regulatory fines. So I built a multi-agent system using the Google Agent Development Kit to automate this entire workflow in under 60 seconds. The architecture relies on two specialized agents. First, a data agent with Python tool uses capabilities to run pandas and Seaborn for zero hallucination data processing. Second, a comms agent connected to a custom model context protocol or MCP server to handle the external networking and draft the emails. Let's look at the live demo. The user triggers the orchestrator with a compromised batch ID, like let's say lot A45. Uh, Phase 1 initiates. The data agent writes and executes a localized Panda script to instantly filter our mock ledger of over 150 transactions, isolating exactly which facilities hold the tainted batch. Instead of just giving the user a raw list, the agent uses Seaborn to generate a visual blast radius. This is the affected volume PNG which the Seaborn have generated. In phase 2, the comms agent takes those locations, crosses them with our facility director, and uses the MCP server to draft tailored compliance notices to the specific regional warehouse managers. But because this is enterprise software in highly regulated industry, AI autonomy is a liability. So I implemented a strict human in the loop guardrail. The system aggregates the drafts and structurally halts execution. It forces the compliance officer to review the drafts and grant manual authorization before any actual SMTP transmission occurs. By typing Y in the terminal, I could just see the mock transmission has been successful and the notifications are delivered to all the administrators. So, in real, if we use SMTP and if we configure that SMTP in the .env, this actually sends mails to the actual mail addresses. By transforming a fragmented multi-hour administrative bottleneck into a secure 60-second automated sequence, this prototype demonstrates how agentic AI can safely eliminate compliance latency and protect enterprise supply chains. Thanks for watching.